It's the 21st of January right now, but it's 10 degrees and shining sun. It's just perfect, and I just can't pass up on this opportunity to ride. I've been doing a lot of changes to the rat bike lately while it's been cold and snowy, so I'm gonna take the rat bike out just to see how the things that I've done to it hold up. I mean, the thing that I'm most interested in is my ditch light, to see how that works while the bike's in speed.
So welcome back to my channel, WinterMotors. My name is Sean Winter, your friendly neighborhood outlaw. Finally back out on the road. I've had made like 3 episodes now where I haven't been on the road. Well, technically in one of them I showed some shots of me driving in snow, but that doesn't count. But man, it feels good, and I can see up ahead of me that I'm not the only one who feels this way about today's weather. But it also feels really weird somehow, because I haven't ridden in, for me, is very long, because I usually ride every day all year round, but I have nothing to commute to, nowhere to go, and technically I'm not allowed to be out riding right now, but hey, it's in my name, the friendly neighborhood outlaw. I'm friendly, but I don't follow your fucking laws. It feels like the first time I'm riding this bike. Like, I've never ridden it before, and I haven't done any upgrades, mods or changes to anything of the driving parts, which I will have to do, like the stock bearing on this bike. And I also need to change the oil. I really feel that in the bike it really needs an oil change, but I can't afford an oil change right now, and that's the same reason why my ditch light is not plugged up. I just can't afford it at the moment. Thanks, Corona. But what I can afford is some wind therapy. Fuck yeah, I can. Just look at this. This is just absolutely amazing. But unfortunately this won't last. And I'm not exactly sure when I will be releasing this video, but sometime in February. And let me know in the comments down below, when do you expect yourself to be out riding again for this year's riding season? And if you ride all the year round, let me know in the comments down below about that too. All respect to you. I mean, all you guys up in Florida and shit, you're cheating though. You don't count, but I think it's also appropriate for us to check out the WinterMotors top secret testing facility. It's windy here in the testing facility, but other than that it looks good. I mean, I was literally leaning into the wind there. It was really windy. It's warm today, it's nice weather, it's dry, but it's windy. You can't have it all, you know. I want to ask you guys a question, you the viewer, because you are the ones that I make these videos for. I also make it because I think it's very fun to make, but you are the viewer, you are the ones I'm trying to entertain. So I want to ask you this, what would you like to see on this channel in 2021, the next season? I'm thinking about changing it up a little bit than I did the last, even though I think at the end of last year, which was my first season of making vlogs, I started to fall into a rhythm that I was very comfortable with, and I started to create my own style. What do you think? But anyway, what would you like to see more of on this channel? I'm obviously going to go on road trips, I'm obviously going to do all the things I've already done, but I want to know your opinions on it. I also thought about maybe uploading a video on Sunday as well as Wednesdays, as I do now, with just a quick little update, just a short little video, not like a full episode, just a little update of what's going on and what's happening, what I'm doing, just something, just have a little bit more content for you. So if you like that idea, then let me know, and I will do it. I will try it out and see how that works out, but I won't do it if you think, nah, that's stupid, Sean, don't fucking bother. We just love it when you just post up a good video every Wednesday. It's enough content for us. My goal for 2021 is to reach 1,000 subscribers. I would love that, because it would open up this channel to be able to do different things. I took a road less traveled now, and it seems like I ventured into Holland. Man, that's a cool old mill. And it looks like someone's renovating it to like be livable, because as you can see, there's like brand new windows in it and stuff, but everything else is really old. It looks like it swivels. I don't know. Let's see what's further down this road here in Holland. So yeah, that's what I want out of this channel, but obviously I can't get to that point without you guys, so I want to keep you guys happy with your suggestions. I will try my best to keep you entertained and happy. But for all y'all that are already subscribed to my channel, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for subscribing. And for all of you that comment on every video that I make, I appreciate you even more, because I really like the interaction with the people who watch the videos, and it also helps the video to reach further levels. I wish I could give more back to you guys, but for now I can only deliver more entertaining video vlogs and other content for you. Yeah, I'm not planning to stop making video vlogs anytime soon, so okay, I'm gonna take a page out of $1 Million Bogan's book and go down roads where bikes like this are not supposed to be going. This feels like quite a bad idea. Okay, fuck this. I have a feeling I'm just gonna puncture if I keep going here. I need some better enduro off-roading tires. Okay, this is better. But I legit want some thicker tread enduro style tires on this bike, because it just will fit the style a hell of a lot, and it would also allow me to be able to go on slippery grass and off-road little roads like that. I really don't like that dark cloud cover coming in. I guess it's time to head back to the garage. It was fun as long as it lasted.
Oh man, I needed that. That was good for my health. I really wanted to come back here and take the Road King out for a ride, but these dark clouds rolling in kinda tells me maybe I shouldn't. I don't want to be caught out in the rain. It's not that warm yet. But at least I got to see how the new parts are holding up while riding, and they hold up well. I don't believe this moved at all, didn't move back at all because of the wind, which is just exactly what you want. When I get it wired up properly, I'll adjust the height of it and tighten it properly, and then we get to see how it works. But it's not going to be something that's on all the time. It's just for show, basically. And the paint didn't burn off here, so that's good. It smelled a little weird, but it's because it's newly painted on something that gets warm, so obviously. That was the first proper ride this year. I mean, I have been riding this year, but that was the first proper one where I got out of the city. I got to drive far, I got to drive fast, I got the bike up to proper speeds. It was just, I just really needed this for my health. Now stuck in this lockdown here, as if you are as well, you know exactly how that is. And if you own a bike, wind therapy, that is the answer. Don't forget to go and subscribe to this channel, like the video, comment, and share your favorite video with your friends and family, or enemies if you want to. I don't really care that much, but it will really help me in this channel. And if you want to support me in this channel a little bit more, you can go to the link in the description down below where you can buy me a beer. Maybe I even spend that money on finishing the work on the Triumph, but who knows. Maybe I also just spend it on beer. I mean, that's what it's basically there for. But there's no pressure on that. You don't have to do that. You just being here watching this, that is enough. Like, that is plenty. So thanks for watching another video here at WinterMotors. My name is Sean Winter, your friendly neighborhood outlaw, and until next time, bye bye. Well, the beginning of that motorcycle season didn't last long.